Print and cut out the pattern. Use the pattern to cut 2 pieces of the outer fabric and 2 pieces of the lining fabric. Cut the seam allowance off the pattern and use this to cut 2 pieces of the inner facing. Fuse the inner facing to the back of the outer fabric pieces. Place the zipper at the top of an outer piece and place the lining on the zipper. Pin in place and sew with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Sandwich the other end of the zipper between the other outer and lining pieces. Pin and sew like before. Open up to the right side and iron the seams. Top stitch both sides close to the edge of the fabric. Place the outer pieces and lining pieces together with the right sides facing. Sew the bottom and sides. Leave a gap at the bottom of the lining. For the corners, unfold and pinch the fabric so the seam is lined up in the middle. Sew across with a 1/2 inch seam allowance and repeat for the other corners. Trim the ends of the zipper if necessary. Turn right side out through the opening of the lining. With the zipper open, sew across the bottom of the lining. Insert the lining into your outer fabric through the zipper opening and poke out the corners. Your pencil pouch is ready to go.